Assalamu alaikum students, your English teacher is here with another lesson. I hope you all are fine and having good time. Today's lesson is all about adjectives. Adjectives are describing words that tell us about color, size, sound, feelings, texture and amount of noun. Let's practice identifying adjectives, but remember, we cannot physically touch an adjective. Brown, bunny. Do you know which one is an adjective? Yes, you're right. Brown is an adjective describing the color of bunny, a noun. Good boy, tidying up. Which one is the adjective? Yes, you're right. Good is the quality of a person. It's an adjective. Fat hen. Which one is the adjective? Fat is describing the appearance of a hen and it's an adjective. Sick girl. Which one is the adjective? Sick is a word describing the feeling and it's an adjective. Soft coat. Soft is a word describing a texture. A texture is how we feel when we touch something. And soft is an adjective. Dirty shoes. Which one is the adjective? Yes, you're right. Dirty is an adjective and shoes are noun. Hot water. Adjective, adjective. Which one is the adjective? Yes, you're right. Hot is an adjective and water is a noun. Tangy lemonade. Which one is the adjective? Tangy describes the taste of lemonade and it's an adjective. Stinky trash can. Stinky describes the smell of the trash can and it's an adjective. Tall giraffe. Tall describe the size of the giraffe, a noun, and is an adjective. Yummy chips. Which one is the adjective? Yummy! Because it describes the taste of chips, a noun. Thick book. Thick is an adjective describing the appearance of a book. Wet girl. Wet is an adjective describing condition of a girl. Underline the adjectives in your homework. Big cave. Which one is the adjective? Hot pie. Blue bag. Slow snail. Angry girl. Happy ladybird. Tidy desk. Shiny jewels. New zoo. Healthy milk. Thin book. Warm quilt. I hope you'll be able to do your homework quite comfortably. And once you've completed your homework, email it to me at zahrahashmi83 at the rate of gmail.com. That's all for today. Have a great day.